Hey there, I'm Jason from JJP Construction, a Los Angeles contractor and designer, and we're building a luxury $7 million home right behind me. Why don't you come on in and check out what we're doing. Welcome inside this 4,500 square foot house. We have 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. I think there's a lot of details in here I can show you that'll help you bring a normal construction project up to an elevated luxury project. We'll go through some of those details here today in this video. So in this kitchen, we have something here that's pretty incredible, an 18-foot wide island right in the center of the kitchen. What we did is really made this a focal feature. We wanted to make sure that we had full pass-through from the outside to the inside, not just from the family room, but from the kitchen as well. One of my pet peeves when coming into a kitchen is an unfinished underside of the island counter. It's such an easy thing to do to use a finished piece of plywood that shows finish underneath, so that way we can finish this and put our countertops on top, so it always looks good from either side. Here's a really easy way to upgrade a home's look without spending too much money. This is what we call a feature wall. Now this is particularly made out of MDF. We routed in some details and created a herringbone pattern on this wall, getting it painted with a high gloss finish. This will look incredible. We also have paneling throughout the room, but this is a really easy way to completely transform the home and create a luxury high-end finish. The next time you're thinking about designing a master bedroom, the one thing that you really need to consider are focal points. What is the view coming into the room? What's the view when you're in the room? And what's the view of natural spacing when you're actually living in the space? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. You wanna make sure that there's something in every space to make this feel luxurious, special, unique. A lot of the times, we're also thinking about what makes the space the most comfortable, right? There's always something you need to be able to see. So in this particular room, we have paneling on the bed wall. We're gonna have a beautiful fireplace on the opposite side of the wall. And the last most important special detail, we have this beautiful view. This is the primary bathroom. Now in this space, we have 3 really cool things that I believe are a little bit unique, a little bit different, that we don't normally put in these houses. Number 1, you can see right behind me, a massive shower, okay? I don't think you can run out of room there. The next thing we did is we put a built-in sauna that's gonna go into this corner on this side. And then one thing that I think will really make a big difference to the homeowners when they move in is we're gonna have a nice heated towel rack right here on this wall. Welcome to the exterior of this project. As you can see, we had to build a massive retaining wall to get us the ability to come out just a tad further than where we had it before. But it gave us enough room to get this massive pool into place and also create that indoor-outdoor space that we were shooting for. We wanted to be able to have a patio space along with the barbecue location that we're gonna be putting at the far end of the backyard. We wanted to be able to have this pass-through feeling where you can be on that side, you can walk in, you can walk out, you can be partying in a family room, coming out towards the pool. But the main thing that we wanted to accomplish, never to obstruct the view that this home has. And I think we were able to accomplish that very successfully. One last detail that I use on my projects that helps me elevate what we do here is I use an application called Beam, which helps me track the whole entire project. So it allows me to create estimates, produce invoices, create change orders easily at the touch of my fingers. Not only can I do it from my desk, I can also use an iPad, my phone, and so on, which makes doing this job super easy. If you want to try it out, you can go to trybeam.com and make sure you speak to someone there, tell them you saw this video.